So magandang araw kabola. Sa video na ito pag-uusapan natin kabola. So nga po isa na naman daw na team kabola na potential po na on sale kabola. And then of course we will also talk about the top 5 breakout candidates. Of course may mga napanood na tayo mga games kabola. So sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe pa, pindot naman po yung subscription button kabola. First, let's talk about this possibility kabola na itong Converge kabola ay maglalaro po ng home game dito nga po sa Pampanga kabola against the popular kabola na Barangay Ginebra kabola. First, this is a very interesting decision kabola na ginawa po ng PBA kabola. So of course we will see kabola kung dudumukin ba ang Converge, knowing that they are heavily connected of course to Governor Delta Pineda. And take note nila, I'm not sure kung ito po ay sadya, pero this is 2 days before the election kabola. We know, di ba kabola, natin yan, di ba kabola. Pero again, di ba, Converge is considered by a lot as a team that should be supported by Pampanga. So tignan natin kung mag-show up nga po ba itong mga taga Pampanga to support them kabola. And we hope so kabola, kasi maganda yan na panoorin, no, na parang may home team yung isang teams po talaga sa PBA. Dito muna tayo sa comments ng mga fans. Ronald Berbesided pa, shoutout sir. Alex Carbayar, All-Star Cabado, sabi niya. Archie Lucila, Go TNT. Then we have Anthony Alon, SMB, CJPS or Championship, ganun ba? Kabola. No, ito muna tayo kabola, no? Ito ating yung top 5 breakout candidates po natin, kabola. So, number 5 natin will be Cyrus Torres. Actually, he has been putting up good numbers sa first 2 games nila. 19.5 points and 63% shooting from the field. That is a very good number po, kabola, for Torres. Pero, ano ko lang dyan, he's a guard. Coach Jong trusts him kabola, pero is he only a scorer? Yan yung mga tanong pero overall, of course, because of the minutes kabola and because he's shooting very hot, he could be a breakout for this tournament. Luis Sangalang, number 4 natin kabola, no? He is scoring or averaging more points right now than Iyang Sangalang kabola. Ang ganda talaga dito kay Louie, parang siyang Vic Manuel type din, kaso ang difference lang si Vic Manuel kasi post moves. Ito talagang wino-work around niya lang kabola with his good footwork kabola to get those shots. Tignan natin kung may pagpapatuloy niya yan, pero pag naipagpatuloy niya yan, yung magandang linalaro niya, most probably, pero yun pala, no? Sasabihin ko sana matitrade siya. Pero remember, may agreement daw ang Star Horse at saka Terrafirma na wala ng trade na magaganap. Number 3 natin, Kaylan Chongson. So, si Chongson, kabola, tinitake advantage niya po yung heavy minutes right now, kabola, kasi nga po, maraming injury sa frontline po ng Rain or Shine. And currently, the numbers is very impressive. 19.5 points, 7.5 rebounds, 1.5 3-pointers made per game. He is a complete type of a modern power forward, kabola. Nandun yung size, kabola, nandun yung athleticism, and of course, nasa edad naman na siya that he should be able to dominate the PBA. Number 2 natin, Kai Balongay. Ito yung una nagpasiklab First game pa lang niya ata. If I'm not mistaken, nasa 30 plus points yung ginawa niya, kabola. So Kai, showing us, kabola, that he is the future of Phoenix. We are high about Kai kasi he moves well for his size, kabola, and has modern skill set. Number 1 natin, Sab Lucero. Ang pinagkaiba kasi ni Sab, actually, good numbers naman na siya sa mga una niyang mga nilaro, kabola. Pero ang pinagkaiba lang talaga ngayon, kabola, is of course, Lucero is doing it, kabola, for a modern type of team. I mean, for a team that is contending. So, ito na nga, kabola, si Blackwater Elite, kabola. Baka siya po ay on sale. Yan po, basically, yung decipher natin sa isang post po ni Snow Bado. Mabango, malinis, kahit may team. That's basically Blackwater Elite. So, Blackwater Elite, kabola, if they will be sold to a serious team, kabola, we hope it's a strong group, kabola. Wow, kabola. All I can say will be that's basically the best gift the PBA can give us for the 50th season. Yung Terrafirma and Blackwater both sold to serious team. Wow, that could make 50th season of the PBA one of the best, kabola. Give it to us. Let's go, Blackwater. Find a sale. So, hindi pa nakasubscribe, kabola, pakipindot naman yung subscription button.